my three cats. Ayan, my three cats. This one and this one were sisters. Ayan, sisters. They were sisters. And this one was the first sisters that was born by this mother. Ayan, and this one is the second sister. This one was born first. She has a brother, but her brother was dead because of because he got sick. And this one also has a brother, and and also died because also got sick. Yan, and this one, their mother. Ayan. So they were so cute, beautiful cat. Ayan, and this one is the one who got sick last time. Ayan. I have a video of this one, the one whom I fed before using the syringe because she is not eating. She has no appetite to eat that last time for, I think, for only 3 days, and now she is already healed. Ayan, and the mother was there. They were so cute. Ayan, and the sister is here under the table cleaning her body, or yes, yan, dinidilaan niya yung kanyang fur. Ayan, so they were busy in cleaning in their another bodies. Ayan. So they were so cute and funny. Ayan, the way they clean their bodies, it's so funny. Ayan, the mother and the daughters. Ayan, the daughters. This one is the first born. The firstborn. Ayan, the firstborn, first baby of the mother cat, and this one is the second daughter of that mother. Ayan, so they were so cute. Miming. Okay, so I am thankful because this one is already healed, and she is now getting bigger. Ayan, she is all right now. Ayan, so that's all.